Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this clove oil and this clove water. To my 10 subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like the video. Thank you. So start by blending the clove. We'll blend the clove so you'll be able to soak in as much, you'll be able to get from it as much nutrients as possible. That's why we're blending it. Next, transfer it into jars. I'm using small jars because the big one was too big for this size. So I didn't have a medium size. I have just big and small. So I'm using the small ones now. And after that, you put in your oil. I use coconut oil. You can use any other oil of your choice, but coconut oil was what I had available, and that's what I'm using. There are two methods to this. So for the first method, you just blend, like I said, then you put your oil, you mix it, stir it properly, you cover it and keep it for some days. Just set it aside for some days. You just set it aside for some days, but keep on stirring it at intervals. Like if you're keeping it for, I recommend 3 to 7 days. If you're keeping it for 3 to 7 days, you just like take it up, stir it, then you leave it back, like just like after a while, like after some days, or like every day, just stir it. I think that's better. Staying every day is better. For the second method, you boil it. This is called the double boiling method. You just boil it. Then when it's done, like after some minutes, you take it off and you strain it. You make sure you remove the particles. I didn't show that process. This is it all done, and this is how it looks like. So for the clove water, you just put in the clove, put in your water in the pot, then you turn it up, you allow it to boil for a while. When you're done, you bring it down to cool, then you strain it, you get the water, put it in your spray bottle. So this is the result. This is how it looks like by the time you're done. So this is a video of me showing you how to use it. Just spray it on your scalp and you massage it in. Don't forget to massage. Massage increases blood circulation to the scalp. Benefits of using cloves are it prevents itchy scalp, it improves the health of your scalp because of its antifungal properties, and it helps promote hair growth. You can use your clove water two to three times a week if it's very concentrated. Then if it's diluted, you can use it every day. But some people have been like saying that clove dries their hair, or it increases breakage or thinning, or thinning of hair. So if you're gonna use clove, I recommend you use it for like a week or 2 weeks. Then note for yourself and see if it works for you before you continue using it. Thank you. As for the application of clove oil, it's practically the same thing. Just apply it on your scalp and massage it in, guys. Massage it in. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.